Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. For today, I would like to discuss with you about walang shortcut sa buhay. There's no shortcut to what? Success. May ilang-ilang ng mga tao na gusto nilang yumaman pero ayaw naman nilang mahirapan. Gusto nilang magtagumpay sa buhay pero ayaw naman nilang sumubok. Gustong masenso pero ayaw namang magsumikap. Gustong makamit ang tinatawag na pangarap pero ayaw namang gumising sa katotohanan at kumilos. Gusto parati instant na lang, instant noodle, instant coffee, instant mommy, instant cash, instant diploma, instant promotion, instant millionaire. Yan ang parating nasa isip. Because nasanay na tayo sa teknolohiya, akala natin lahat ay mabilis na. Well, life, in everything in life, no, there's a process. You need to learn how to wait. There's no shortcut again to success. Michael Jordan won 6 NBA titles and believed that he can get out of this game because he exactly put something into the game. So it's very important also, if you want to get something out of life, you got to learn how to put something in life. Be true to the game, be honest. Ika nga'y magpakatotoo po tayo. If you don't completely play the game and give your all the best, no, you know what will happen? You would feel that life is shortchanging you, na parang feeling mo unfair parating sa iyong buhay, na hindi ka nagiging successful dahil hindi ka nabibigyan ng opportunity. Let me tell you this, with that attitude, you've already lost even before you've begun. Success in life takes a lot of time, energy, resources, and most of the time, kailangan po natin ay magsakripisyo. That's one thing probably that's lacking right now in our lifetime, people learning how to sacrifice. Success and fulfillment in life doesn't really happen overnight. So I just want to ask you this question. Are you in a position right now or in a place na nagmamadali ka, na feeling mo talaga na nasa short change ka sa buhay? Have you really given your best? Nabigay mo na ba talaga lahat? Nade-demotivate ka na ba sa posisyon mo ngayon? Napapagod ka na ba sa ginagawa mo? Feeling mo na gusto mo na talagang bumigay? No, let me tell you this. Never give up. It's not yet time for you to give up. This is the time for you to roll up your sleeve, at the same time to tell yourself, I need to go to the process. I need to face the challenges every day. I need to go through this pain. I have to overcome in order for me to win. Tatandaan po natin, just like what Michael Jordan always say in one of his quotes, na sinasabi niya, if you do the work, you will get rewarded, or you get rewarded, because there are no shortcuts in life. Parati ko sinasabi, mga kapatid, walang elevator patungong tagumpay, kailangan mo umakyat ng hagdanan. I hope this short video about walang shortcuts sa buhay is able to encourage you. And if you like this video, I do suggest that you also share it with some people who are discouraged, some people who feel like they want to give up already, they want to quit. This is not the time to quit. And I hope that you would click like and subscribe to this YouTube video, and also share it with other people. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always Chink Positive.